Lightning is one of the most powerful and dangerous natural phenomena. In an instant, it can destroy a building, destroy electronics, or even take a human life. That is why humanity has long wondered, how can we protect ourselves from this element? Lightning protection exists for this very reason. Its main purpose is to intercept the lightning discharge and safely conduct it to the ground. But you need to understand, lightning protection is not just a piece of metal on a roof. It is a whole system that must be correctly calculated, installed, and checked. And this work is also special in that it is often performed at a height where there are its own dangers and rules. The first person to seriously address the issue of lightning was Benjamin Franklin in the 18th century. He proved that lightning is an electrical discharge and suggested using a metal rod to conduct it. Thus, the first lightning rod appeared. His idea saved millions of homes around the world. Since then, technologies have improved, but the principle has remained the same: to intercept, divert, and dissipate lightning energy into the ground. Today, several main types of systems are used. 1. Rod. When a metal rod is installed on a building that protrudes upward, this is a classic. 2. Cable. A metal rope is stretched over the object, creating a protection zone. 3. Mesh. A metal mesh is stretched on the roof that covers the entire surface. Each type has its pros and cons. The choice depends on the building, height, materials, and budget. For lightning protection, metal with a sufficient cross-section is used. Usually, it is copper or steel, but also aluminum, because they conduct current well. It is very important that the wire is continuous and without sharp bends, because lightning always looks for the shortest path. Another key part is grounding. If it is done incorrectly, lightning can pierce walls or go into the house's electrical network. Therefore, the installer must comply with all safety standards. It is worth mentioning separately about work at height. Not everyone is able to climb 15 or 20 meters and work there for several hours. This requires endurance, insurance, the right equipment, and experience. I personally installed a lightning rod at a height of about 20 meters. Believe me, when you stand on the roof and look down, you understand this work is not for the weak, but it is at such heights that lightning protection is especially needed. During installation, you need to take into account the height of the building, the distance between the elements, the reliability of the fastening, the conductor's connection to the ground. Each mistake can be very expensive. There are cases when, due to savings on materials, the system simply does not work, or lightning strikes nearby and damages the roof because the protection zone was incorrectly calculated. Interesting facts: the average length of lightning is about 5 kilometers. The current strength can reach 200,000 amperes. The temperature of the lightning channel is up to 30,000 degrees Celsius. This is 5 times hotter than the surface of the sun. About 100 lightning strikes occur on Earth every second. These figures show how much power we have to divert during one strike. Lightning protection is not a luxury, but necessity. It saves lives, protects buildings, equipment, and production from terrible consequences. My work at height is not just installing metal structures. It is a responsibility for the safety of people who will live or work in this building. Therefore, it is worth remembering, it is better to install lightning protection once than to calculate the damage from one lightning strike later.